Hey, what's up, everybody? I want to welcome everyone back to another video. I am Brother Jay, and just doing a week 1 update of my progress with starting my injections with Bimzelx as a part of my treatment for hidradenitis suppurativa, RHS, as it's known. And so I started on the Bimzelx because I started getting flare-ups in my scalp in early January, and they had progressively gotten worse, even though I, started on taking antibiotics. And so my doctor and I decided we would try Bimzelx. I had previously done Humira for a few years and kind of ran its course as far as effectiveness for me. And so we decided to try Bimzelx. And so for anyone that doesn't know, Bimzelx is it's a injectable that you can use. And um, from when I first started with Humira, the injectables are so much better relative to, I'm not really squeamish about needles, and it's really, just a quick little stick with the injector. And so that part of it, doesn't bother me. But, with it being just my first week, you're not looking for any miracles or anything like that relative to my flare-ups. But, most importantly, no problems at the injection site. And, I know that, it's a process and it will take some time for I will really see whether or not it will be beneficial. And also, along with taking the Bimzelx, continuing to work on improving my diet, recognizing what my triggers are. I am a confessed sugarholic, and so I struggle with, fighting to have whether it be processed sugars or candy. That is a daily struggle. I am looking to take a much more holistic approach to improving my hidradenitis, and so I've been watching some videos from a holistic doctor, Dr. Yaki, out of St. Louis, and really want to dig into that aspect as far as treatment as well, and just really watching what I'm putting into my body and recognizing how that impacts, hidradenitis. In my case, specifically, I really am hesitant to. I never want to feel like I'm giving anyone advice on how to treat their HS, because I do recognize that everyone's bodies are different, and so I'm just really trying to share my journey, and if anyone that has had problems in their scalp, please let me know what you've done. Any sort of, because I have a topical solution that I use, and of course I'm using Dial soap and things like that to clean my scalp. But any recommendations of anyone that is going through this similar in their scalp and how you've treated it, would be helpful. Anyone that has taken Bimzelx for any amount of time, kind of share what your experiences have been. And, I'm going to continue to check in and track my progress with. And so, to kind of wrap up after week 1, no significant changes, which I was not expecting. But I, am hopeful that along with the changes to my diet and continuing to exercise, I will see some improvement. Just want to encourage my fellow warriors. This is just the beginning. Let's continue to fight. Stay encouraged, and recognize that you are much more than what HS represents. Love you guys, and we'll be back next week with another video after my second injection.